Having trouble with the Spectrum TV app's voiceover feature narrating everything on screen? It's easy to disable. VoiceOver, also known as a screen reader or audio guide, is an accessibility feature designed to help visually impaired users, but it can sometimes be activated accidentally. Here's how to turn it off across different devices. On iOS devices like iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then VoiceOver, and toggle it off. If it's still on within the Spectrum app, try restarting the app. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Accessibility, and disable TalkBack. On Roku or Spectrum set-top boxes, press and hold the up arrow on the remote for 3 seconds to access the accessibility menu, and then select Disable Audio Guide. Alternatively, you can find this option in the app's settings under Accessibility. Finally, on smart TVs like Samsung or LG, use your TV's remote to go to Settings, often found under General or Accessibility, and turn off VoiceOver or Screen Reader. Follow these steps to quickly regain control of your viewing experience. VoiceOver reads aloud on-screen text and menu items, but if you find it disruptive, understanding its operation can help prevent accidental activation. VoiceOver converts on-screen elements into spoken audio for accessibility. It narrates menus, text, and controls in real time during navigation. It can be triggered through device accessibility settings, voice commands like Siri, or even accidental gestures. If you find VoiceOver turning on unexpectedly, check your device's accessibility settings first. If disabling VoiceOver through the methods described doesn't work, try these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your device's operating system and the Spectrum TV app are up to date. Older versions can sometimes have glitches. Clearing the app's cache can also resolve persistent issues. As a last resort, restarting your device can often clear up any temporary software conflicts that might be causing the problem. Keep in mind that the Spectrum TV app relies on your device's built-in accessibility features, so changes made in your device settings will affect the app's behavior. By understanding how VoiceOver works and applying these troubleshooting tips, you can manage this feature effectively and enjoy a seamless viewing experience.